Alright guys, managed dove field. Dove right there actually. Already got 2 birds. And look at the one. We're gonna see if we can get some more. There's one. Okay. So stay tuned. There we go guys, 4th dove that I retrieved. Shot probably 6 or 7. They keep going in the woods here. So I'm trying to follow them exactly. Well, we got that. Smoked that one. Look at that bird. What a beauty. There's another one.
I'm getting pretty picky.
Yeah.
I'm not confident I'm gonna get one. Well, I had to buy we had to buy a box of ammo off a trade.
You gonna hit that one?
No, it's too far. Sparrows. Yeah, I got one.
job, Kev. Is there anything you want to tell the camera about your kill? No.
12 gauge stray shells.
Nice shot.
What are they, Winchester?
There's a ton around here. It's gotta be all the sunflower seeds.
Yeah. They might land.
I can't hit anything today. I got 6 roommates to feed, so I got.
Oh, here they go.
Here. That's it.
I got that perfectly on film. Go get him, Trey.
To your right. Yep.
I do have 1 box left in the truck. Should I just go through 4 boxes today?
Well, you shot 3 already?
Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Trey, what do you say about your amazing kill there?
About 3 boxes, 10 doves. I guarantee if we all tuck back like this.
Is that the technique? That's the special technique.
Yeah,
I got that on film too.
tuck back.
You tuck back just like this and you almost...
I'm gonna wait for him to land. I have to.
Hey, oh, you gotta hit that one. Oh, come on.
I want him to land.
I don't know if they're going to.
This one will.
Oh, hold on. Where's he at?
Right to decoy. See him?
Oh shit.
Get on. Here.
Go, shoot.
I was waiting for Devin to film it.
Sorry, that was my bad. I couldn't see him.
But there, you ready?
Okay, I'm on him. I'm on all 3. Yeah, I'm on him.
I don't know what happened. I'm shooting blanks, I think.